Do you feel stressed today? I invite you to take at least 1 minute and look at this beautiful view. Reflect about how you feel. Isn't it wonderful? I think it's wonderful to be in nature. Hi, I'm Maria, and I'm here to talk about stress and how to reduce stress in nature. A recent study by the American Psychology Association in 2013 estimates that around 77% of the population in the United States suffers from stress. Now, 50% of that population reported that stress is affecting them in a negative way. As you know, stress can be really overwhelming sometimes, and it can lead us to chronic diseases and compromise our immune system. It is also related to heart conditions, and that's really concerning. Well, today I'm here to let you know that nature has a lot to offer, and you can release that stress here in nature. Now, studies have shown that if you take a minute and go for a walk or interact with people in your community in a green area, or even go for a hike or ride your bike outdoors, it can help you reduce stress. It can reduce specifically the hormone called cortisol, which is the stress hormone, and that is wonderful. I'm a naturopathic medical student, and I usually study for long hours, and school can be demanding sometimes, but I acknowledge that I need some time in nature, and when I do so, I feel refreshed, relaxed, and ready to have a productive day. Schools in the United States are incorporating some kind of nature component in their curriculums, and children that are interacting with nature are shown to have a better cognitive function and have better grades in school, feel more focused, and their behavior improves. That is wonderful. So today, I invite you to take a minute. Maybe you can look at the picture, and if you don't have the chance to go outside, just look at a picture that has some nature in it, maybe a tree, maybe a beautiful view like this one, or a flower. I'm sure you will be feeling peaceful if you take a minute and look at it. It's just wonderful to be outside. So if you feel stressed today, I encourage you to reach out and look at nature and what nature has to offer. I'm sure you will be healthier and happier. Have a great day.